And let's see some concerns about your concerns. I have small kids, so it's difficult to attend class daily. If my kid is sleeping, can attend. Okay. I have tried to hide all your names. Is this a common concern? But OET doesn't understand these things. Other Saleen will understand and say, poor girl, she cannot attend. If you attend the real classroom offline class, if it is 90% effective, this Zoom class, what we are doing now, will be 70% effective. And at YouTube Live, it will be 50% effective. And watching the recorded session will be 40% effective. That difference is definitely there. Okay? Because we are trained in that way. When you see the teacher from the mouth of the teacher directly in live, that has its own impact, which you won't get in the uploaded sessions. But definitely, if there is no other option, you have to go into that. But take notes and take time, then communicate. Yeah, we will help you. Weekly 4 days, I have 12 hours duty, either morning or night office. They're not fixed for me. So there is no fixed schedule. Okay, for many students, they don't know. It's not their mistake. Health professionals, they are working for the humanity. We understand. But you will have to look into the things. You will have to connect. You will have to communicate your studies, how it is going, how you are improving, what have you done. Unless you communicate, you will not be able to make you competent. Okay, Father, my reading speed is very slow. When I scan and skim, it take much time. How I improve it? Now, don't scan and skim. That's a problem. Now, only skim. I have not taught you scanning. Okay? So, skim. And it should be very slow. I love that word, very slow. Father, my reading speed is very slow. You should be very, very slow at the beginning. Patience. Don't go fast. Just dissect every bit of your sentence, paragraph, or text. So go very slow. That's a good sign. It's not a negative sign. Okay? Gradually, you will reach momentum. We'll come to each method. We'll teach you step by step. Don't worry.